important time for the Philippine government to take action for a diplomatic step, a friendly step, to ensure a fair trial. In this regard, we respectfully ask for a formal letter from the President to the Algerian government, appealing for a fair and for their release, as they are innocent.
Maraming salamat po.
In addition po sa tulong ng company, not only that they provide lawyers for legal defense, pati po yung lawyer ma'am, since we cannot personally makapunta agad doon sa Algeria kasi pahirapan po pagkuha ng visa, yung lawyer po yung nagbe-visit sa mga asawa namin doon para po may makausap sila para po sa mental health nila. And we truly appreciate po sa ginagawa ng company kasi kailangan din po ng mga asawa namin na may makausap since foreigner po sila doon at iba po yung culture, iba po yung people na nakasurround sa kanila. So, we thank the company po na not only the lawyer is defending them, they also providing them moral support to the Algerian government for a fair and impartial trial. Pangalawang beses na po namin ginagawa at hinihiling ko sa inyo, sana po this time, through the help of the media po, kayo ay parating po sa Pangulo mga kahilingan namin. Yun po, salamat.